Answers to your questions about the quality of higher education on the Ball State University Newsline. What kind of education and technology does it take to turn raw materials like this into products like this? The answers are found here at Ball State University in the Manufacturing Engineering Technology program with a plastics emphasis. Plastics industry leaders consistently rank the Ball State program as one of the nation's best.
We've got one of the few plastics programs in the United States where we have a very definite thrust in the hands-on application in plastics processing, and yet a very theoretical approach also to analyzing the process and the materials testing. Our students get involved in outside research from various industries, and we also do some unfunded research inside in our research center.
Along with computer-integrated manufacturing, Ball State's plastics technology program is high-tech education whose graduates are in high demand. Ball State students studying special education are being well prepared to meet the computer needs of students with disabilities in the Technological Education and Assessment for Children with Handicaps Lab, TEACH for short, headed by Jean Ulman.
Our main goal in the TEACH Lab is to provide our undergraduate students with experiences using adaptive computer equipment to better meet the needs of children with disabilities in the public schools. Our second goal is to provide a resource center for area teachers to familiarize them with adaptive computer equipment and special purpose software.
Funded by contributions from Robert and Beverly Terhune and the Ronald McDonald's Children's Charities, Ball State's TEACH Lab provides many benefits to Ball State students, teachers, and to children with special needs. This is the Ball State University Newsline. For more information, call toll-free 1-800-200-7575.